Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're enjoying the bull market, or at least the movement before the bull market. For now, as you can see, Bitcoin is an absolute beast, making all-time highs and liquidating shorters. But what is really actually going on? We've been analyzing this coin for years in our Telegram channel. And whenever we have time, we record a video to help you understand the price action better. Now, to understand what is going on here, we have to take a look back at price of Bitcoin. Okay, if we go back, we can see the price has been playing in this zone for a long time. I don't want to go into details, but it finally broke from here and it went up to 90K to make a new all-time high from this zone, okay? It was by the early November that we got a real strong movement in Bitcoin. Now, if you want to understand the price movement better, we can consider this move as a simple classical flag, right? So we got a big movement which started from here, okay? So we got the first movement, the leg of the flag, and everybody started to actually consider a correction happening here, like a flat, which would be the main part of our flag pattern. But the buying pressure of the institutions and people who wanted to support Bitcoin was so much that our correction did not happen in a form of flag. So we didn't get a correction like this. Instead, we got a diagonal pattern happening here. And this move, which is slowly going up, is actually the correction phase of Bitcoin. And as you can see, every time that Bitcoin comes down, it gets supported at these levels. And with its final move, we can say that Bitcoin probably is going to finish its correction around $109,000. This zone would be the most probable zone for Bitcoin's correction to come to an end. Now, after this, depending on what happens here, we can say whether this was a reaccumulation phase, meaning that this was a chance for a lot of institutions and many people to buy Bitcoin, reaccumulate their bags, and get ready to support it into higher prices. And depending on the momentum we get around here, we can see whether a breakout happens or not. Now, if the breakout doesn't happen and we get rejected at the top of this diagonal pattern, then probably Bitcoin will have made a new all-time high around 110K level, the exact number here probably, and then start a distribution phase. In this distribution phase, people will start taking profit from their positions and money will flow from Bitcoin to other altcoins. And probably we will see a correction phase happening in the price of this beast. But all these scenarios are just speculation, and we should not consider this as financial advice. Putting a lot of money at 100K level, pushing it to 110, hoping to get a little bit of profit out of it. This is just a roadmap for us to understand how Bitcoin is playing these days. We strongly suggest you not to open any unnecessary positions without proper risk management, because in these correctional phases, a lot can happen. Once we get a clear pattern formed around here, then we can decide whether to ride this wave on the breakout or on the distribution phase. But until then, it's better to focus on other coins that have better risk reward. Until then, have fun, stay safe, and don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channel. See you.